Would you like to know 3 best tips for affiliate marketing if you are a beginner? So guys, if your answer is yes, then watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm gonna reveal 3 best tips for affiliate marketing. Right? Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video, I'm gonna reveal my 3 best tips that help me to scale my affiliate marketing business. And these 3 best tips I'm gonna reveal to you in this video. Right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business step by step. So go and read my ebook, down below there is a link, right? So now here, without any delay, let me give you my 3 best tips to start affiliate marketing business, right? So guys, now here, very first tip is that guys, you have to come up with a mindset that where you are treating this affiliate marketing business as a real business. Yes guys, this is my, I can say, first tip guys, where you need to consider affiliate marketing business is a real business. Guys, I see that most marketers, especially those who are new, they want to make money doing affiliate marketing. They want to make money now. So guys, here I would say, guys, first you have to treat it as a real business. If you really want to make commission, or if you really want to make money from your affiliate marketing business, so treat it as a real business, guys, right? It's not a like get a rich quick scheme business. Right? So yes, come up with this mindset. This is very important, guys. Right? Second thing, guys, whenever you are going to promote any affiliate product, guys, right, through which you are going to solve one of the problem of your ideal prospect. So here, pick the product that that pays you recurring commission or high ticket commission. Guys, here understand this. It takes same amount of efforts to sell $1 product or $1,000 product, guys. So why don't you pick a product that pays you recurring commission or high ticket commission, guys, right? It takes same amount of effort. And the beauty part of promoting the product that pays you, you can say, recurring commission, guys, is that you make sale for one time, like mean to say, you put your all efforts to make the sale of that very product one time, but you keep getting commission again and again and again and again till the subscription of that very person whom you have sold this affiliate product, right? So yes, always promote the product that pays you recurring commission or high ticket commission, right? So this is second thing, guys. Third thing, guys, I would say many, you can say, affiliate marketers, they don't make money. Would you like to know why? Because they don't have their own sales system. So here I would say, please come up with your own sales system. Here, what I mean by that? My mean to say is that sales system can be your 2 steps sales system, having landing page and bridge page, right? Landing page where you offer lead magnet in exchange of email address, and bridge page, or you can say thank you page. This is the page where you can say where you offer or promote your affiliate offer, right? Giving bonuses just to stand out from the competition, right? So come up with your sales system, right? This is very important, right? Or if you don't have like a budget to invest in any software through which you can create your sales funnel or your sales system, you can use the sales system where what you do, you take people on free strategy call, right? So you put your calendar link there, any person will go and they will book the call and for any particular date, right? and yes, on that particular date and time you come on the call and you solve the problem, or you can say in the call you ask questions, some smart questions. So here our overall idea is that you ask question, and based on the problem that your prospect is revealing to you, you give the solution. So here as the solution you can promote your affiliate product, right, or your affiliate offer that you are promoting, right. So here overall idea is that you need to come up with your own sales system. So yes, this strategy call can be of 15 minutes, 30 minutes, it's up to you guys, right. So yes, overall idea is that come up with your own sales system, guys. This is very important, guys, right. So it can be your two-step sales system or your free strategy call where you take people on the call, right. So that can be your sales system, right. And now guys, here is my bonus tip to you guys, right. It's my fourth one for your affiliate marketing business. If you really want to scale your affiliate marketing business, then guys, here I would say, guys, stop jumping on one sign object to another sign object. This is very important to understand, guys. I see that most marketers, especially those who are new, they fail in affiliate marketing business. Why? Because they keep jumping on one shiny object to another shiny object. Come on, guys, don't do that. Don't do that. I have been the victim of this mentality for long time, guys, where what I was doing, I was promoting one product, right, and when within week I wasn't making any money, I was jumping on another product to promote, guys, right. So guys, I would say that was my blunder mistake, guys, right. That was my blunder mistake, that I was jumping on one shiny object to another shiny object. So please understand this. Don't jump on one shiny object to another shiny object. Just focus on one product, guys. This is very important to be successful in your affiliate marketing business. Here I would say pick the product and start promoting that very product unless and until you make at least $1,000 from that very product, right. When you make $1,000 in commission by promoting that very product, then yes, you can pick any other product to promote, but it must be related to your niche, guys, right. It shouldn't be like you are promoting any make money online niche product, and next day or maybe after making $1,000 in commission, you start promoting something that is related to weight loss niche. Come on, guys, it is totally mismatched, guys, right. So it must be something that complement your you can say first product, right, or first problem. Like for example, you are promoting how to make money online niche product, where you are solving this problem, where you through your product, affiliate product, you are teaching people how to make money online. But when you are promoting that product, then there is another problem where people don't know how to get traffic so that they can promote affiliate product. So here, if something is related to that, like where people are going to learn that how to get traffic, and there is a proper training, proper course on that, yeah, you can start promoting that another product, guys, right. So it is something similar to that, right. It is something related to that, right, compared to the product that where you are promoting any weight loss niche product, right. I hope you are getting my point, guys, right. So yes, that this is very important, guys, that you go and start you go and start promoting only one product until and unless you make $1,000 income, right. So just focus on one thing, right. So yes, guys, this is my, you can say, these are my you can say my best tips, guys, right. Go and apply that, guys, right. And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you, guys, right. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel. And yes, down below there is also bell notification button, so go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. Right? So yes guys, this is all about today. Right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day.